You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio serving the Tampa area. The current time is 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tampa Police Department and the Tampa National Guard. At exactly 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, loud footsteps were heard all across the Tampa area. These footsteps are so loud that they can heard as far as Washington, D.C. Some people are saying that a creature is coming to the area. All residents in Tampa must remain vigilant at this time. If you hear the loud footsteps, wear headphones to protect your ears. Stay tuned for more information on this unusual situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tampa National Guard. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for all residents within a 10-mile radius from Tampa. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the creature that has been confirmed to be real is now hostile. The creature now known as Godzilla has been seen attacking downtown Tampa. Godzilla has the ability to breathe fire and burn down everything in his path. As a result, fire are in the city. Godzilla also has a loud roar that can make humans go deaf in a matter of seconds. If you hear this roar, you will go deaf immediately. All residents within a 10-mile radius from Tampa must evacuate immediately. Grab supplies including non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio for your journey. If you can't evacuate, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Emergency update. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tampa Police Department. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Godzilla, the creature that is still attacking the city of Tampa, has been confirmed to be the Godzilla from Godzilla 1954. In addition, Godzilla has been seen entering other parts of Florida. Cities that will attack include Miami, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Naples, and many more. If you live in any of these cities, seek an underground shelter immediately. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this not a test. Godzilla, the giant monster that originated from Florida, has now spread into more states. This creature is using his atomic breath to burn down everything in his path. States include Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Alabama, and Virginia. If you live in these states, seek an underground shelter immediately. If you hear Godzilla's roar, you will go deaf in a matter of seconds. Stay tuned for more information on this catastrophic situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Godzilla is continuing his fiery rampage. The military is having difficulties taking down Godzilla. Some cities have been heavily damaged, while some small towns have been completely wiped off the map, due to the military struggling to take this monster. The United States government has agreed to nuke Godzilla with a nuclear bomb to see if it works. Everyone, if you're in the nuke area, please seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Please stay tuned for more information on catastrophic situation. This is an emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The fallout has cleared out of country, and Godzilla has been confirmed dead. Your government thanks you, your corporation, during this emergency. We now return to normal programming.